Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead. We are starting August off strong. As I suspect, companies are going to be ramping up hiring and especially hiring work from home in the next month or two going into the fall and holiday seasons. And we have healthcare giant United Health Group doing just that this week. So if you're wanting to get into the healthcare field and the healthcare work from home field, this might be for you. What you're looking at right now is the main United Healthcare jobs page. This is filtered to all the positions they have open that are remote work from home. There's 2,968 open positions. I'm going to share 5 of them with you today, but I will have this main job page linked down in the description below along with all the jobs that I share in case you want to check it out and see if there is something that is a better fit for you. Now, in the past, I have personally worked for United Healthcare, and in the past, they did provide all the computer equipment for you. I could not find that in the job description details, but just know I do believe they will provide all computer equipment for you. So as long as you have internet in your home, this is the position for you. You can get started in the healthcare field. Now, unfortunately, this is for my United States folks only. Since I have 5 positions to share with you today, I will try to keep it as quick as possible. They do have some part-time positions as well as full-time positions, some phone positions, some non-phone positions. So there is definitely something for everyone. So first up, we have an insurance follow-up representative. Now, this position is a full-time position, Monday through Friday, and it says employees for this position are required to work during their normal business hours, which start at 6 a.m. in the morning and go to 6 p.m. at night. The insurance follow-up representative is responsible for providing administrative and clerical support to the claims team. So you'll be reviewing, analyzing, and resolving outstanding and denied claims that have been submitted for reimbursement. You'll identify, document, and communicate root causes of those denials, and you'll contact payers regarding billing discrepancies, and you'll also research delinquent accounts. Now, this position does require a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is required. It only requires 1 year of related insurance follow-up experience. You do need to have knowledge of payer policies and HIPAA guidelines. Now, they require you to have a dedicated workspace in your house because of the HIPAA guidelines, and you have to live in a location that can get approved high-speed internet connection. But other than that, that is the requirements for this job. They do kind of want someone who has Microsoft Office experience, Word, Excel, those kind of programs. And this position pays anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Next up, we have a part-time position for those of you that only want to work part-time. This is a denials and appeals coordinator. Now, with this part-time position, it says you can live in any time zone and they have flexibility on remaining shifts as long as you work at least 2 additional afternoon or early evenings between Monday and Friday. So it says you're required to work any shift 20 hours a week between the hours of 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that includes flexibility to work weekends every Saturday based on business needs. Training is provided virtually from your home, so they do provide all the training. So the appeals person would be receiving and interpreting electronic appeal requests for decisions from clients. You'll prepare the electronic files, you'll verify the information, and then you'll work with other team members to make sure work is going out timely. So you will also have to enter and maintain information into various databases and, of course, follow HIPAA guidelines. This one only requires a high school diploma or a GED, 6 months experience in data entry, 6 months experience working in customer service, and they would like someone who has 6 months experience with utilization management and general knowledge of healthcare. Now, again, this position requires you to have a dedicated workspace in your house, and it pays $16 an hour all the way up to $29 an hour. Next up, for those of you who have great persuasive skills, they are also hiring a collection representative. Now, just as the name implies, a collection representative will perform a daily review of accounts and identify the correct responsible party for any unpaid balances. You'll then contact the identified payer and try to resolve problems and issues with payment. So you're going to have to try to persuade these people to pay their balances. It does require a high school diploma, 1 year experience of Epic, and 2 years experience with hospital insurance collections. But if collections is your thing, this one starts anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $29 an hour. Next up, those of you who are interested in billing, we have a billing representative. The billing representative will review any open copay assistance, prioritize billing and collection activities. So you'll assure that timely and accurate follow-up activities is performed on all invoices that are not paid within 45 days of submission. You're responsible for review and documenting key accounts. You'll have to identify issues and trends and escalate those up to your manager. Identify and document any bad debt write-offs or AR adjustments, overpayments, duplicate payments, all that. You're making sure the claims are paid correctly. It does require a high school diploma or GED, 2 years experience working in medical billing or medical office, 2 years experience with Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, all the things, and you need the ability to read and interpret EOBs. But if you have health insurance yourself, I'm sure you can read an EOB. Now, this position pays a little bit on the lower end. It starts anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $27 an hour. And last but not least, we have a billing customer service representative. For those of you who do not mind being on the phone, sometimes customer service is the easiest way to get into the healthcare field if you don't have any healthcare experience. But they are looking for someone to answer a high volume of calls from patient representatives regarding patient bill balances, setting up payment plans, taking credit card payments over the phone, rebilling of insurance, processing adjustments, refunds, transferring their bills, mailing returns, all of the things that the customers need. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, 6 months of customer service experience, someone who's familiar with computer and Windows PC applications, and someone who has the ability to work an 8-hour shift between 8:30 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This position starts anywhere from $16 an hour all the way to $29 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.